for the people.
So are you open for those other politicians who would come in and join your group?
Wala mang matapang na politician ngayon. Bebot lang na.
Who will join you? Walang matapang?
Ha?
Walang matapang na politician who will join your group?
Marami kung bebot kaya yung military, paano na siya? Military wake up.
Sir, there are observers now from other countries.
Hindi, ganito yan.
There's a silent martial law in the Philippines.
Correct. Yan. Ang tao ngayon wala nang mapuntahan. Kasi kulay ka. Biro mo, there was an order at a certain point yung the other night. Dadalhin siya sa correctional institution. Kung natuloy nalagay siya, saan siya magtakbo? Hindi magagalaw itong Supreme Court kasi separation of powers. Lalo na Malacanang kasi kabalos-los bata niya. So itong tao lang natakbuhan. Yan ang sinabi ko. There is a fractured governance. Nabali lang, hindi lang na spring. There is a fracture in the governance sa ating Pilipinas ngayon. Walang makakorek niyan. Nobody can correct Marcos. Nobody can correct Romualdez. Nobody can. It's a long process mapapil sa Supreme Court unless you sila ka ng kaso doon, matagalan yan. Next year pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance, there is no urgent remedy. So it is only the military who say. Kaya ang sabihin ko, Presidente ako, kita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin ang Presidente na in face of so many errors there, tupak-tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng breakage, fracture, government. It is only the military can correct it.